Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Mark Serdina. This is the introduction of my web development course. I learned hundreds of skills in building a website using .NET, MVC, and a content management system such as Umbraco. And I'm going to be showing you how to build a website faster, better, and more efficiently and effectively. I've developed features and functionalities that works for internal management system in the company. I develop websites for skin products, construction, fitness, fashion, solar panel technologies, fast food, battering, advertising web, and many other. I'm here to share what I've learned and works and make it simple and logical through step-by-step process. The lesson I'm going to teach you is how to create a website from scratch to a fully functional platform and have you manage it through simple back-end. It's going to be a hell lot of exciting features and functionalities that we will cover. Be prepared to spare time and learn the best way to create a web platform that can astonish your clients, customers, or just simply gear up yourself with powerful skills. I will share what they don't teach you at school or any other sources that you can find online. I will share what works and you will have the power to apply it to your purpose. So clear your schedule, sit back, relax, and clear your mind. I will need you to fully focus to what I'm about to share to you that's been working for me in many years. We're going to create an employee website, as I would call internal portal system that manage employees. We will also develop a customer and a client portal that your clients can interact with your products and services, especially your irresistible offers that will get them asking you for more. We'll also build an e-commerce website using Shopify, Umbraco, WordPress, and any other platform that we can lay our hands on. I will also share my knowledge of what works in analytics, Google Tag Manager, SEO, and advertising your website. So there are going to be a lot of awesome techniques that you can apply to your own business and compete with your competitors or just simply be on the market and become number one in your industry. I'm going to be releasing features and functionalities every 1 or 2 weeks. This is going to be a series of videos containing tutorials how to create a certain features that you can create for your own company or for your own business or for work-related tasks. The whole value of showing you and sharing what works for me applies many benefits. That is to create features that automates most or all of the company day-to-day tasks, reduces the usage of papers, and transform PDFs and documentation through digital so that you, your colleagues, employees can focus on what really matters in your business. That is to bring more revenue into the business. The next video I will show you is a list of amazing tools that you need to build a website from scratch. So thank you so much guys for staying until the end of this video. I'll make it as enjoyable and easy to follow.